Karthik Ki Shukrana or
It was my thing. It's too cold here.
And we are in Bangalore, South India. And look at this one. Good job, Trisha. So it's 7:16 in the morning and we've been told that the rooms will not be ready for quite some time now.
We got super duper hungry.
We did not get the room though, but we are going for the buffet.
So we just shifted to our room and let me give you a quick room tour. We got the basics, a mirror, there's a safe, there's a laundry bag, there's an extra pillow, which is a very good thing because I always need more pillows. Mirror one. Now we got a bed, which looks pretty comfortable actually. A sitting area, which I always love having a sitting area in the room. Again, a study table for one, like a working or a study table for one. There's not much of a view. This is not important for me any which way. Now moving on to the last and the final thing, which is the most important thing, washroom. Big well-lit mirror, showering area, clean washroom. We got it all.
Okay, news here.
How are you?
I'm good. Good morning, guys. We just woke up and it's around 9 a.m. The rest of our party has not woken up yet.
At least we think so.
At least we called and they did not answer.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to catch you up on what we did yesterday. We went shopping for Trisha.
And I shopped in half an hour. That's it.
She got she got 5 things for herself and they all look amazing.
I was pretty quick at making decisions yesterday, that I'll admit. Everything.
We're getting a call from the groom. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
कि अखिल को तो एटलीस्ट उठा दो वो he'll go and knock on other doors.
I am so excited for Haldi. Now we have a responsibility to wake everybody up and then go get ready and go. We just went to give a wake up call to Akhil and he did not wake up. That did not go well.
But we did tell him that it's his responsibility to wake everyone else up.
Yeah,
and that Karthik is coming. So we are hoping
very irresponsible.
We are hoping to see him. So.
Yes, he said 9:30 sharp. It's 9:20. He looks super tired and jet lagged. So I'm not sure, but let's see.
सबके सब साला On a breakfast table, we're having fruits, South Indian, and some
We're having
research
South Indian.
Trisha.
Outfit 1.
क्या हम मान्यवर के ऐड में आएंगे अब? So I dressed a little simple today because well, I have limited choices and I thought white shirt would go best for the Haldi function. And she looks gorgeous. This is one of her outfits that she caught in like a small amount of time yesterday.
4 minutes, 5 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And that's a super like that's a superpower, right?
Yeah, that is.
I guess one of her cars is here. We're gonna run to the wedding and we're gonna show you around.
And cut.
Oh my god. Look at this director, guys. I can already hear the festivities from right here. Look here, you pretty boy. Oh. How do you feel? Being marinated. Quite cold, right? Yeah, like a chicken. You look so nice.
मुझे भी हल्दी लगाना है.
Just apply haldi to the hair first.
अरे ये शर्माना कैसे हल्दी लगनी है ब्रो Don't you look pretty? भाई there's a proper process to it. क्या कर रहे हो भाई तुम? ऐसे ही समझो ब्रो. You didn't go inside. Yeah. You need to be cleansed nicely. Yes, yes. Chandan. I taste Chandan everywhere.
Should we or should we not throw him in the pool?
I think we should.
I got this mehendi done. I love mehendi. There are just two kind of people. One who love mehendi and the other who hate it. There's no in between, and I'm the former one. So yeah, I'm so excited. I think I'll get on the other hand also, but once this dries up. So and I also got Sana to get it. See, show. See, so pretty, right? And stinky. Nikhil has not still completely dried up, but it is what it is right now. And I got the mehendi done on the other hand also. So just in case you're wondering what they're doing, they're trying to do I.
It's 7 p.m. and we are both ready. I hope you're looking good.
Yeah, we hope so.
This is dress 2 of Trisha that she bought yesterday. So, let's get going.
We'll have cocktails. Yeah.
Thank you. You like it?
Yay. So much so that I'm going to get it done.
Karthik, my god.
Is that me?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
Is that you?
pretty one.
And now we're entering the action.
How do I look? Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
How do I look?
presenting to you the
look really
very
nice.
gorgeous Shivas. Hey, मुझे 10 लोग लड़की वालों की तरफ से चाहिए और 10 लोग लड़के वालों की तरफ से।
So, how was the function?
It was good. We had fun, so much dance and so much food. So it is the next morning after the Sangeet. We all came to the room very late to sleep, like around 3 AM or something. We did not go for the feras in the morning. That was any which way like a puja that was supposed to be done in between families. So even though I wanted to see it, but I think it's fine. Now we'll be directly getting ready for reception, which is at 12:30. So we'll go for breakfast, come back, and then get dolled up. So we're ready now to go to the reception. And I wore a sari, which was a teamwork. Took everybody's help to get it on me. Any which way. Now I'm ready. I feel a little tired though, but let's see. I think it'll go in some time. Look at this beautiful man.
It's this one right here. Yeah. So our boy Karthik is finally married. We just met him. He was getting ready for the reception. We couldn't spend too much time with him, so we thought to come to the ground where the reception is supposed to take place. We are like 15 minutes early to the actual time, but we are like super ready for it,
And we're super excited.
and we are like now enjoying the decor and places to ourselves. We're gonna get clicked, and we're gonna click them too. Just look at them, all lost. And yeah, it's been a super fun journey, right?
Yeah, it's just everything has been like every morning we have to dress up, then go back, sleep, then evening we have to dress up. So there's so much to do. It's so
There's so much
fun.
going on.
Yeah, and you know, somebody's throwing somebody in the pool, then they're getting out. Kuch like something or the other is
And
continuously
to think
going
about
on.
it, 2 days ago we were like in a train suffering.
Yeah,
It was a good travel, but still train is like I'm not so, I don't like
getting waitlisted. That was the only issue.
I don't like sitting in one place for too long.
Fair enough. ठीक है.
How do you guys feel?
Oh, sorry.
Hello. So we are having lunch, and it's like a banana leaf
That we are having it on.
setting, and I love the vibe. Thank you.